Rainy days are always great days to head to the theater or snuggle up at home to watch a movie, and we're gonna have some rainy days.
All right, give me 4 of your favorite movies.
Okay, so it was hard for me to come up with this because there's so many that I like, but for horror, I said Silence of the Lambs, Finding Nemo for family, cheesy romance, You've Got Mail, and Citizen Kane for just one of those movies that you have to see.
All right.
So what about you?
Married to the Mob.
Yeah.
Absolutely awesome movie.
Yep.
Ordinary People is my favorite serious movie of all time. It's actually my favorite movie of all time for any genre. White Christmas with Bing Crosby and Rosemary Clooney.
Yeah.
And Terms of Endearment with Shirley MacLaine. And
I love
Deborah Winger.
movies in
my
general.
God.
Like, I'll just watch them, you know.
Yeah, but you know what I love more, Kara? I love the food that goes with the movies.
Right, you gotta make it fun. My kids always want popcorn, and I'm guilty of just being like, all right, let's microwave a bag of popcorn, but you don't have to do that because we are here with Chef Radia Hersey, and she is showing us how to really up our game when it comes to movie snacks. Welcome back.
Thank you.
So nice to see you.
Same here.
It's a pleasure. And you brought the wonderful smells of bacon and popcorn and just
caramel.
And caramel. This is an unbelievable recipe.
Yes.
All right, and is it hard?
No, it's super easy.
Okay.
So this is brown sugar. So let's turn this on.
Okay.
Butter.
Oh, good luck.
I'll turn it on for you. Yeah, there we go. Let me see.
So
there.
brown sugar, butter, and then corn syrup.
Okay, hang on a second. I'll get it.
Oh, that's right.
right.
We have to
There
do
we
2
go.
buttons,
You're gonna
and
do
then
that.
we do this one, and then we go here.
All
What
right.
number would you like it on?
Let's go high.
Okay, I'll do the power boost all the way.
Perfect.
Kara
Okay.
loves
All right.
nothing more than to hit the power boost button.
I just think it's really cool that in a
Right.
second things will boil when you go power boost.
Power boost.
So we're gonna make our caramel sauce. Because you gotta have the caramel.
All right, so again, I apologize. It's brown sugar.
Butter,
Butter.
and corn syrup. So Kara,
That's
why
what
don't you add the rest of the corn syrup?
So that's what caramel is? Brown
Yes.
sugar, butter, and corn
Yes.
syrup.
I know, right?
And just
I didn't
dump
know
that
that.
in.
It's basically liquefied brown sugar.
Exactly.
That's it? I
So we're
didn't
gonna
know
bring
that.
it to, and then a pinch of salt.
See how
Okay.
fast that works,
A big
though?
pinch.
Okay, because
Isn't that amazing how that induction oven works? I just think
do you
it's
want to
amazing.
turn down?
Oh, that's perfect.
Okay.
Okay. Are you
Okay.
good with the knife?
I'm good with the knife.
Chop, chop.
Chop, chop. Okay, here we go.
And we're
Okay.
chopping bacon that's already been cooked and you made it really
Exactly.
crispy. Did you bake your bacon to get it that crispy?
Yes, you want to put it in the oven.
In the oven.
Get it really crispy.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is done. So add the baking soda.
Baking soda.
Yes.
Okay. What does that
And
do?
So it's just going to help the caramel stay nice and not get too crunchy.
It bubbles. It's almost like those experiments you do with your
know.
kids. The volcanoes. Oh, look, it bubbles up.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's.
Okay.
Oops, sorry.
That's
You
okay.
good?
No, no. I wanted to make sure I took my hand out of the way. That was
Yeah.
me. Turned it off. Okay, perfect.
Okay. Let's see.
Oh my God, this
So this
smells
goes
so good.
here.
I
Oh,
love
all of
bacon.
that caramel is going to go over the popcorn.
Okay,
Oh
and
my
put
God.
the bacon in.
All of this?
Yes. I mean, you can never have too much bacon.
Never have too much bacon, ever.
Okay.
Hang on a minute, I got a little bit more for you. There
All
you
right. And then we're just gonna stir.
go. Stir. Don't worry about making a mess.
Okay, good.
Kara's gonna clean it up after
Oh.
the show.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So this goes
So you mix it a little bit and then put it on a
Mix
tray
it.
so you can really
goes
get it
on
going?
the tray. It goes in the oven for about 15 minutes,
Oh, we're going to bake it now.
just so that it can set.
Okay,
And you
so
just
it's
wanna
not
s-
all liquidy.
Exactly. And then so when you're done, this is what you have. You have the caramel, bacon popcorn. Now, the Parmesan popcorn, say you're not into sweet.
Okay.
You want something savory.
Yep.
Butter. Good,
Stop
right?
it.
Stop it.
And where do you get these cute bags? Because that makes everything.
I bought it on Amazon.
Okay.
Amazon.
So this is fun. You could buy them, have them at home, and it's
Exactly.
also good because then the kids don't fight over the bowl. You just be like, listen, everyone's
Everyone
getting their
feels
own.
special.
All right, so what did you do? You just added
Butter
butter?
and Parmesan.
Oh
You
my
want to give it a
gosh.
toss?
It's so good. It tastes just like the Cracker Jacks.
Exactly.
It does. Better.
It's like the old school Cracker Jacks. Yeah,
Right.
better. But
All right.
uh-huh.
And so you're done. Now, if you want to add rosemary, that would be good as well.
It would be really funny and fun for the kids. Buy a little prize pack like the Cracker Jack
And
and
put
stick a
it
little
in
prize
there.
in each one.
Everyone will feel special.
All right, so again, how long do you bake that for?
So you bake this for about 15, 20 minutes. You want to turn it so it doesn't get too dark. And then just let it set for maybe about 10 minutes to cool. And you can kind of break it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's give this
So
a try.
good.
This is good, right? Let's see.
Oh, so good.
I just
So
got a piece.
good.
I got a piece with the caramel and the bacon. That's
The
good.
bacon is, you have to have like the sweet and the salty.
All right.
All right.
That is so good. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for
And it's
having
so
me.
easy. Even I can do this. Tara, you're gonna have to read.
The next movie night, I want you to do this.
I will make that.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make both.
I get to pick the movie.
Okay.
And Godfather was also on my list, but it didn't
I
make
like
it.
Godfather too. Okay.
For recipes and cooking videos, visit chefradia.com. You can also follow her on Twitter and Instagram using the handle Chef Radia.